All right, so 11.2, number 7. They're giving us the piecewise graph, and they're asking us to approach 0. So down here I can see they're asking us to approach 0, but the key here is they're using one-sided limits as well. So from the negative side, from the positive side, and then both. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So 7x. 7x is supposed to be used when the x's are smaller than 0. So that's this part of the graph, the negative side of 0. So you would pick 0 and then negative 1 half, 1, negative 1 half, negative 2, so on. So that's this right here. So as you approach 0, so you're going to come in, right? This is the x-axis, and this is negative infinity over here. So as I move in to this way, I would want you to put your finger on the graph right here, and as you slowly move into 0, you can see that the y values are going up and we're stopping right there. So in this case, my output would be 0. Then you have the x squared plus 1 for x's that are bigger than 0. So that's this graph right here, the positive side of the x-axis. So as I move in, I'll leave that there, erase that. As I move in to 0 from the positive side, I would want you to start with your finger right there, and that finger would slowly trace in, and as you get close to 0, you're going to end up right there. And that's at a y value of 1. But because this and this, the two red arrows, are in two different spots, because when you see just 0, you have to do both sides, both the positive and the negative side. You have to enter D and E for that one because they're not coming together. They're not going to the same y value.